Hi guys, hello and welcome to another C# programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about enumerations. An enumeration is basically a set of constants represented by an identifier. You place an enumeration in a class outside of any methods. Frequently, programmers place enumerations at the top of a file before the main method. You create an enumeration using the keyword enum and an identifier, followed by, within the curly braces, a list of constant values separated by commas. By default, the first value has an integer value of 0 behind the scene, and the second value is 1, and so on and so forth. However, you have this capability of changing their initial integer values with whatever values you like. So now let's get started here. So first of all, I would like to declare my enumeration type, which is declared with the help of the keyword enum, followed by the name of the enumeration type, weekdays, followed by curly braces, and it ends with a semicolon. This is one instruction which comprises of a bunch of values. So if I would like to store weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I could store values all in the same line, or I could separate them on different lines. Totally up to me however I want to store them. Let me include the using static System.Console statement so that I do not have to write console.write and console.read. I can just directly call the read method, and this is to hold the screen. And now let's try to display the value of one of these items from the weekdays. So WriteLine, weekdays dot, let's say, Thursday. And as I run my program, you will see on screen that it will display the value Thursday and will not display its numeric equivalent, even though behind the scene they're all integers. So Monday is 0, and Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2, Thursday is 3. So this displays Thursday. However, if you want to see the integer value behind the scene for them, you can also do that. All you need to do is, before the value gets displayed, simply cast it or convert it to type integer like I'm doing. And now when I run it, it will display me the output of 3 besides Thursday, and 3 is the value of Thursday because Monday is 0. And as I told you, you can replace them with whatever values you want. So if I want my Monday to be 2, Tuesday to be 3, all the way through Saturday to be 7, and Sunday to be 1, I can now rerun this application. And you can see the output that now Thursday is 5 because I overwrote its default 3 with the value 5. It is also possible for you to declare variables of weekdays type. Let's say I'm declaring a variable called shipDay and store a value, one of the 7 values available under the weekdays. Now, this is one of the greatest benefits of declaring enumeration because it allows you to create a set of values, and these values could be the only values any variable of weekdays can have. So that's a great advantage, plus it's add to the readability of the code and makes your life a lot easier than storing a value 6 or 5. Now everything is very well defined here. Okay, now that I've done that, now let me go ahead and display the output so that you can see that the variable will display the value Saturday. So let's run it, and you will see that it will display the ship day is Saturday. Okay, now let's learn to declare a variable of type integer. Let me call this one shipDay2, and let me try to convert the value of shipDay into its integer equivalent value, just so that you can also see that you can convert the values from weekdays type to an integer equivalent type, and shipDay in number is this. So as you know, notice here that Saturday is 7. So when I display the output for the number value, I must get the output 7, and that's exactly what I receive here. Okay, now let's try to change the value of shipDay 2 to 3. Okay, so it's 3 now. So if I would like to change the value of shipDay with the value of shipDay 2, which is 3, after the successful conversion, the shipDay will change from Saturday to Tuesday. Okay, so if I simply type shipDay equals to shipDay 2, it will error out because shipDay 2 is integer and shipDay is weekdays. So I have to perform a casting. So now after I cast, I will now redisplay the value of shipDay, and you will see that shipDay is now Tuesday after the conversion. So anyway, these examples pretty much show you, or this example pretty much shows you how you can declare an enumeration with a set of values. You can change the default values behind the scene. You can display those values. You can store them in a variable. You can grab a value from an integer value, cast it to the enumeration type, and then you can display the values. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Till next time. Bye-bye.